Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a universal YUMS unboxing. My house is a little bit of a mess because we are fostering a puppy. I'll put a little clip up here, but her name is Kona and she is so cute, and she's a German Shepherd puppy, and she's just the best. Big bag of dog food for our new big dog. And a nice bag of food for us. So let's go ahead and open this universal YUMS box and see what we have in store. All right, looks like this month we are going to the Baltics, so that should be really fun. So as usual, you do get a little card on here with some fun facts and then a scoreboard. Then you do get a scoreboard as well, so you can kind of score each of the snacks to your liking. And then it has the little booklet that has all of the information about snacks, some trivia, some fun facts, all the nutrition facts, and then some descriptions. So let's open this up. First thing I'm seeing in here are the Oho lentil snack maple bacon flavored chips. These sound delicious. So I'm currently on a very strict migraine diet, so I'll try them, but I won't be able to eat and enjoy all of these fully, but I'll give them a try. So let's learn a little bit about this. With the Baltic Sea so close, salt has historically been an important part of the Baltic trade. That totally makes sense. Part of the reason why today there's so much bacon and smoked fish in the cuisine. Also why these lentil snacks are seasoned with sweet and salty bacon. Look like crinkle fries. This will be interesting. They smell like barbecue chips. They totally look like crinkle fries. I mean, look at that. Whoa. Okay, so I taste both the maple and the bacon. And then also, like I said, kind of just that barbecue chip flavor. Those are really good. Then we have long chips, mashed potato snack in creamy mushroom flavor. I'm not really a mushroom fan, because my fiance is a big fan of mushrooms, so I feel like he might like these. Oh, this has like a whole page dedicated to them. Ones are made from mashed potatoes and then cooked into long strips for a chip that looks very, very unique. They boil potatoes, mash them, roll the dough, and then just 10 seconds in high quality oil. Oh. I see why they're called long chips, because they're super long. So they're just like an interesting texture. I don't like that because it totally tastes like mushrooms. I can't decide if I like them. I think I would like them in a different flavor. I think the mushroom flavor is just it's a little weird for me. Then we have the Nomeda chocolate with apple puree and nuts bar. Chocolate is like one of the main things that I can't eat, so I'm gonna have to have the tiniest bit of this. This apple-filled chocolate bar utilizes one of Lithuania's 1,000 different types of apples. The more you know. Okay, so it just looks like a dark chocolate bar. That's delicious. Yeah, so I can't have the whole thing, but I would totally eat the whole thing. It's interesting because it's a dark chocolate on the outside, and then it has like a wafer, and then on the inside it's puree, and top tier. You get the sweet, the salty, the crunchy, the chocolatey. That's delicious. I will probably have to get another one of those once I'm off this diet. Also, if any of you have been on a migraine diet before, please let me know what you cook, because this is a little bit difficult. Now we have a chocolate bar. Like I said, I'm not supposed to have chocolate, so this is gonna be hard. This is the Pergali milk chocolate with cookie filling. Yum. Okay, so in the 16th to 18th centuries, the economy of the Netherlands was built on the Baltic grain industry. Their grain was cheap and abundant and became a lucrative import for the Dutch. This cookie cream-filled chocolate bar uses Dutch butter cookies as an inspiration, a small memory of a once huge industry. Fascinating. Okay, so it looks like it's just like a chocolate covered cookie bar. That sounds delightful. Look how gorgeous this bar is. Ooh, okay, so I just broke it off. You can kind of see the cookie cream. It's delicious. If I were not on my migraine diet, I would eat the whole thing. That's so good. It just tastes like a shortbread vanilla cookie. It's really good. It's really, really good. The front of this has these cookies these little Dutch cookies, it tastes exactly like that. Like exactly like that. The milk chocolate is super, super good. Very creamy, just absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. Lastly, we have our Yum bag. This is so fun. It has different little tiny snacks, things so normally they would come in, you know, like a huge pack. And so this way they just kind of give us some one-offs. Let's start with these black currant and melon gelissimo. When the Baltic countries were occupied by the USSR, it would have been difficult to get fruits like this. People would have to line up to get any fruit that wasn't an apple, and it was never guaranteed that you'd go home with anything. Luckily, the times have changed, and just about anyone can enjoy these fruits. And their favorite way is in these jelly candies. Okay. Interesting. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. They're like a little tiny jelly. Yum. I don't think I've ever had a black currant of any kind. I've definitely smelled it in like candles and perfumes. I don't think I'd ever tasted it. That with the melon, that's delicious. That's absolutely delicious. I'm a huge fan of that. I'm an absolutely huge fan of that. So that's super exciting. I really, really, really like that. Okay, and then lastly, we have the Lima Chewy Cola Candy. A 2019 study found that only 9% of adults living in the Baltics drink soda daily. Makes sense after a bite of this uber chewy candy with a great cola kick. Who needs the real thing? Okay, so this is what it looks like. Kind of just looks like a giant supplement, but I'm sure it's gonna taste better. I adjusted to take my camera off for a second so that I could film our sweet baby Kona because she was so cute. So I'll put the video up here because, oh my god, she was so cute. Just her little underbite. But that cola one, that was delicious. I feel like this was a really, really good box. I'm honestly super impressed. I think my favorite things have to be either the cola candy. I mean, that's gotta be up there. The cola candy, the melon candy, and the chocolate cookie bar. Oh, but then that apple chocolate bar. Those first chips were good. Man, I really liked everything in this box, actually. Didn't like those creamy mushroom long chips, but I want to try them in another flavor because I liked the texture. But everything else was so good. I'm really, really happy with this one. Let me know if you've tried any of these, and if you're interested in trying Universal Yums, definitely go ahead and do so. I don't think I have a code or a link or anything like that, but definitely give them a shot because we've really been loving this box. If you've been to the Baltics, did you try any of these snacks while you were there? Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. I really appreciate you being here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. In the meantime, hope you have a killer day. Bye!